Hello children, welcome you in the bio class. Children, in this class I am going to teach you assisted reproductive technology. What is assisted reproductive technology? It is a medical procedure which is used primarily to address infertility. Children, you know, infertility is a condition in which a couple is not able to produce baby. So why the couple is not able to produce baby? Its reason is either there is some problem in the reproductive system, or there are some defect, structural defect or functional defect in the functioning of the reproductive organs. So if they are having some problem, some defect in the reproductive organs or reproductive system, the couple is not able to produce baby. But now at the present time, medical science has developed, new technology has come, and using that new technology, such types of couples are able to produce baby. So what are the different reproductive technology which will help the infertile couple in producing the baby? In that, first one is the artificial insemination, that is called AI. A stand for artificial, I stand for insemination. Second is IVF, in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization is also called test tube baby. Third is GIFT. G stand for gamete, I stand for intra, F stand for fallopian, T transfer. Gamete intra fallopian transfer. Fourth assisted technology is ZIFT. ZIFT. Z stand for zygote, I intra, F fallopian transfer. Zygote intrafallopian transfer. Fifth technology is IUT. IUT. I stand for intra, U uterine, T transfer. Sixth one is the ICSI. ICSI. I stand for intra, C cytoplasmic, S sperm, I injection. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection. After that there are some more, that is surrogate motherhood. Surrogate motherhood. Next is womb leasing. WOMB, womb leasing. And last one is embryo donation. Embryo donation. So children, I told the different assisted reproductive technology. Now you have to study in detail each one. So in that, first one is the artificial insemination. What happens in the artificial insemination? In this, semen is deposited into the vagina or uterus of female with a syringe. So, semen is artificially introduced with a syringe either into the vagina or into the uterus, then it is called artificial insemination, or it is intrauterine insemination. If it is deposited in the uterus, then it is called intrauterine insemination. So, why the sperm is deposited artificially with a syringe? Here you have to know, sperm is deposited in the vagina near the neck of the uterus by penis during sexual intercourse process. But if penis is not able to deposit due to impotency, then sperm is deposited artificially by a syringe. Children, you know, in the human